Okay, here we are over in code.org, and I'm doing a demonstration of how to get a picture from the internet into your project on a Chromebook. It's just a little different. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go find my picture, and I like to go to Creative Commons. It's just a place I know I can get pictures I have permission for. I go to my search, and then I'm going to search for a picture of a cat. And I'm going to find one. I want one that kind of I can see the whole cat. Let me see. Once I find one I like, okay, this one looks good. I click on it. And now I go over the picture and I click on it again. And I'm going to use two fingers like separate. And then I tap the pad. And that's like a right click. And it says save image as. And what I'm going to do now is, wait a second, of course. Takes a minute. I'm going to rename it just cat. Oops, I'm going to change my extension there. All right, I'm going to just name it cat, and there it is. Now, I go back to code.org, and I go to the animation tab. I click on new animation, and then I hit upload image. All right, now I'm going to click on the cat, but often the file size is too big. So I click on cat, and I open it. Let's see if it lets me do it. And it says, uh-oh, has to be smaller. So I'm going to actually go back up here. I'm going to click on the three dots so I can find it in my downloads. And there it is, cat. I click on it. Double click on it, I guess. Now, you see right up here, there's a little pen. I'm going to edit it so it's a little smaller. And you see down here, there's like a little picture that's like getting smaller. This is the resize. And right now it's huge. The width is 1,024 pixels. I'm going to make it like 400 pixels. And then I'm going to hit done. And now it's smaller. Now I'm going to see if I can upload it into code.org. Let's see. Upload image. Wait for a moment. Let's go. Let's go. Click on cat. Let's see if it'll let me do it. Yes, there it is. So now I'm ready to code it in. So watch what I do. I need to go over here to sprites. I'm just going to create a sprite like I always would. I'm going to name my sprite cat. And I'm going to set the animation. So right now, if I run it, it's just, well, there's nothing. It's not working. I haven't finished this up yet. All right. I'm going to hit change this into cat. And I'm going to change the animation. Yeah, I get it. Go away, debug console. I know there's an error. I'm not done yet. And then the last thing I have to have also is drawing. I have to go to world. I have to draw the sprite. So now I can run it. And like, maybe that's too big. Or maybe I don't want all this background. So I can actually go back to the animation and crop it. Watch this. I use this little rectangle thing. And watch what I do. I can crop out all this other stuff by clicking this crop the sprite button. Ooh, look, that's even better. Okay. So I'm going to go back now and I run it. Maybe that's even, all right, that's pretty good actually. So there it is. I got it in there. If I want to move it to a different location, I change the X and the Y coordinates. Maybe I want it at 100, 100. All right. And I can run it. Maybe it's too big, so I just grab the, I can change the scale of it. And that's pretty much it. I've done it. And I can change a lot of other stuff in here. But that's pretty much how you do it. If I want to make it smaller, I just type in cat here and then 0.5. And that's it. I've just made it smaller. And there's actually a demo for taking away the background so you don't have that square bit in there.